Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to ULEFONE Note 13P. Firstly, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on ULEFONE. Now you need to select Send on Nokia at the bottom left corner over here and Receive on ULEFONE smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send right away. This way you will choose all of your files and send them later on. It will take a long time to send all of mine, so I will go with only one. For example, this one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on ULEFONE, click on Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on ULEFONE, choosing only this time on or while using the app, and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here as well and click on Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!